Hello everybody, today we're going to be working with final digraphs in 3-letter CVC words. That means consonant, vowel, consonant. The activity we're going to do today is called Push It, Say It. Everybody should have a bag that has single letters in it, like this, single letters, and cards that have final digraphs on it. A digraph is 2 letters that make a sound when they work together or blend together, such as E-T, making the et sound, et. We also have I-T, which makes it, when they work together. Another one we have A-N, and when they work together, they make the an sound. An, A and N. Next, we have O-T. O and T make ought, when they work together. And the last one that we're going to be working with is A-T, at. This is the final digraph, which means it's at the back of the word. And since we're working with 3-letter CVC words, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, here, since it's the ending, we have the vowel and the consonant, which means we need another consonant for the beginning. So now I'm going to do an example for everybody. We are going to grab this final digraph, and then we are going to go with our single letters, and we are going to pick one, and we are going to put it at the beginning of the word. So when you have the H, which makes the sound, H, with AT, and when you put them together, it makes at, hat. H with AT make the word hat. With the same final digraph, we're going to grab another letter, different. This time we have the letter R, which makes the sound, And we're going to grab the R for the beginning because this is the initial sound, which means beginning. So that means we're going to put it at the front of our final digraph because it goes at the back. R at the beginning, AT at the end. When you put them together, you have rat, at. So when they're together and you say them all together, you get rat. Do you hear it? Everybody knows what that is, right? A rat. Okay, one more example with AT. We are going to grab the letter C. So try it. What sound does the C make? That's right. And the same final digraph that we've been using, at. When you put the C in front of AT, you get k, at. So we sound this one out by itself and these two together, k, at. When you put them together, you sound them out together, you get cat, k, at, cat. Now what we are going to do, we have 4 more final digraphs. We're going to see how many words we can make using our final digraphs and our initial sound, our single letters, our single letter consonants that we're going to put at the beginning of our final digraphs. So everybody go ahead and work together to see how many words you can make. Okay, I noticed that everyone was doing such a great job at this activity, and I'm going to bring everybody back and we are going to go over a few more together. So now we're going to grab OT, another final digraph, which sounds like ought, O-N-T, ought. This is our final digraph, which means we need the other beginning letter or beginning sound in order to make a word. So we're going to go in our single letter pile and we are going to pick a letter P. Does anybody know what sound P makes? Right. P, P. So this is going to go in the front and this is going to go in the back. P, ot. Step 1, step 2. P, ot. So then you put them together and you get p, ot, pot. Good job, everybody. So, and one more example with OT, we are going to grab D. 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 Say it with me. D. Okay. OT, ot. When you put them together, you get dot. Good job. Okay, now we're going to try another final digraph. A-N, A-N, An. When they are blended together, the final digraph is an. So we're going to go in our single letters and we are going to grab one of them. F, F. Step 1, step 2. And put them together. Fan. Good job. Fan. Okay, since you're all getting the hang of it, let's move on to IT. It. Okay, new letter. We are going to choose S. Everybody knows the S sound. Okay, we have S. Step 1, step 2. It. Sit. Good job, everybody. You are all getting the hang of it. Sit. Okay, our final digraph. And now a single letter from our bag. We are going to choose the letter G. 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 And E-T. Et. Et. Good job. So, just like we said, the first one and the last one. G, et. Put them together. Get. Get. Great job. You are all doing so very well. We are now done with our push it, say it activity. Everybody did such a great job. And we now know our final digraphs are 2 letters that blend together to make one sound. And since these are the final digraphs, that means it's at the end of the word. This activity is so that everyone can get better at reading and spelling. And because we all did it together, that means all of you are going to be a little better, and that is always good.